Hello and welcome to the new video from Convoy Cars. Today we are taking a look at a 2009 Ford Endeavour Hurricane. This is a single hand driven, 1,18,000 kilometers driven, second owner on RC, corporate to individual transferred, VIP number, 7-seater diesel SUV. Comes fully loaded with airbags, ABS, alloy wheels, factory fitted leather seats, rear glass defogger, electrically adjustable ORVM rear glass wiper, integrated music system from the factory. The tires of the car are excellent. I would call them excellent because they're 75% plus on such a big SUV is really a good tire condition. As far as the body of the car goes, it is absolutely non-accidental, all original in a Brunello color with silver fenders. So this comes from the factory like this till 2009, and from 2010 onwards the look of the car, the exterior look of the car was a little modified. So the headlamps got changed, the silver fenders were replaced with the body color fenders. These are the few things which got changed from 2010 onwards. Now there's a roof rail ladder which you see here. The number of the car is 6, a single number 6, which is really attractive and what do you call a status quotient here in this car. Now the stepney cover is intact, the body line is absolutely fantastic. There's no scratch, no dent, no damage, no rusting issues. So this is the exterior walk around that we've done right now. So you've seen how the car looks from outside. Headlamps and tail lamps are intact. There's no moisture retention, no dust. Take a closer look at the tires. Pretty good tires. We'll now see the interiors of the car. This is the dashboard. There's no much change in the dashboard in 2009, 10, 12, 13. All cars have this exactly same dashboard, beige and black, with a leather wrap steering wheel. The door trims again are same, beige and black. These are the factory fitted leather seats, so they're not damaged since it's authentic leather. So obviously there are cracks and fading of the color is there, but then that's ought to happen. It's a 2009 car. The rear seat is absolutely fantastic, all factory fitted leather seat. The roof lining is original, not replaced. The 3-row AC is intact and working perfect. This roof mounted LCD was a standard fitment in all Endeavours from the company. It's now outdated and it has completely worn out, so I would recommend just remove it. There's no point of keeping this. This is how the dashboard looks like from the rear seat. That's the last row seating. In all, a 7-seater full-size SUV. We will now go for a spin and see how the car performs. It's a 2.5 liter diesel engine with a turbocharger. So the AC is turned on and I've started the car going ahead. It's a manual transmission. It's a 4x2 vehicle, so the fuel efficiency of the car is really good. This drives around 12-13 kilometers in city, about 14-15 kilometers on highway. The engine noise is minimal in this one compared to the 3-liter one. 3-liter, since is more powerful, is a little noisy inside the cabin. The engine noise does come in. This one has got negligible sound from the engine coming into the cabin. The suspension quality of the car is absolutely great. The steering in comparison to a Toyota Fortuner or an Innova is very light. The seating position of the SUV is almost like a sedan car. It's not like Innova and Fortuner that you feel you're sitting in a truck. It feels like a car, a posh car kind of a feeling you get while driving. I'm currently holding this camera in one of my hands and my other hand is changing gears as well as maneuvering the steering, so you can understand how easy it is to take it out on the road with just one hand. Pretty comfortable, really nice AC. you don't feel you're driving such a big vehicle when you're out driving it. Pretty smooth. The clutch is really soft, as good as a petrol car. It doesn't even feel like a diesel vehicle clutch. The suspension quality is absolutely great. The rear passenger seating is comfortable compared to Scorpio, Innova and Ertiga in this one. And the best part is it doesn't bounce as much as other SUVs from the rear. The pickup of the car is great. The turbocharger kicks in right in time and feels fabulous. A masculine, genuine SUV. I would not, I would not compare it to the hatchbacks which have now been called SUVs, like EcoSport or maybe a Duster. Honestly, they're just hatchbacks and not even SUVs. I would say once you drive this one, you'll realize what an SUV is. You can take a look of this vehicle at Navi Mumbai, Nerul, or in Kamote, Sector 35. You can reach me on 9768001006, and you can take a test drive of the car. The price of this vehicle is just 4,15,000 rupees. Feel free to WhatsApp me on the same number, 9768001006. Thanks for watching the video.